Hello, kids. Let's have fun learning the alphabet letters today. A is for apple, ant. B is for ball, banana. C is for cat, car. D is for dog, duck. E is for elephant, egg. F is for fish, frog. G is for goat, grapes. H is for hat, horse. I is for ice cream, igloo. J is for juice, jellyfish. K is for kite, kangaroo. L is for lion, leaf. M is for monkey, moon. N is for nest, nose. O is for owl, orange. P is for parrot, pencil. Q is for queen, quilt. R is for rabbit, rainbow. S is for sun, snake. T is for tiger, tree. U is for umbrella, unicorn. V is for van, violin. W is for watch, whale. X is for xylophone, X-ray. Y is for yak, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, zipper. Great job learning the alphabet. For more learning, please like, share, and subscribe.